welcome back to the Video Game Wench. So today, what I'm trying to let everybody know is I got the Lectric XP Pike. The old Lectric XP Pike bike. And this baby is beautiful, runs great, goes up hills, no problem. I've kind of started to wear in the battery a little bit, so I've had a couple little problems, but they've been really great up at Lectric Bikes. Give them a little shout out, Lectric Bikes. They've been fantastic. Yeah, so I had a nut or a bolt fall out of here, and I put some, so you could see right here where it was dinging against the ground and kind of popping back up and hitting this, scratching it pretty good. But yeah, this one came out, and on this frame side over here, it's slotted. You can't tell because I got the screws already in there, but it is slotted. And yeah, you can see barely that it's slotted. Anyways, I had to put the old baling wire on there to operate my kickstand for a little bit. Anyways, they sent me a whole new kickstand because I was under warranty. And all I did was the frame didn't have enough thread left because it just wasn't the right size bolt, or the slot was too big, or the tap that they used to put the threads inside of the frame was just not correct. Either way, the bolts didn't fit, and so I had to turn them around, and I just screwed them in through here, and that way the threads on the kickstand that actually work still just connect and are my nut for my bolts, and it's worked out great so far. I just thought I would let everybody know, anyone who's got a Lectric XP Pike, that this is a great way to fix your old kickstand and not have to worry about it flopping around, grabbing its you know what, looking at you know who, but it's so cute though. Alright, y'all have a great day. I'll see you later.